What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Enjin, guys, another one of our Metaverse projects. Currently up 5.6 on the day. We're sitting at 436. We're sitting at a market cap of 3.6 billion. 24-hour volume 1.83 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, and $25 in their native coin just for signing up through my referral. So we can see Enjin is moving along beautifully here. We bottomed out in July. We came up to the 0.5. We rolled back to the 382. We came up to the golden ratio. We saw a bit of a steeper correction just below the 0.382 double bottom breakout once again. Created a beautiful cup and handle pattern and broke out, met our target. So that was a nice little trade opportunity. I believe I posted this in the Discord a while back of about 69%. Now we've broken above our previous high back in April, which was coming in at about $4, $3, $4 on the dot here, which is a really strong sign. I'm going to pop over to the daily here. So if we could hold this level of support, that's when we can see continuation up to the 1.272. However, guys, we are seeing a bearish divergence on the daily. We created a high, we created a higher high, and we've created a significantly lower high here on the RSI. So if we were to roll over, guys, and we were to lose the previous all-time high, do watch the EMAs. It could come all the way back down to the 0.786. I don't think it's likely with the amount of interest in Metaverse right now. As you can see, Alice is pumping Sandbox, but we do have that bearish divergence to keep an eye on the daily. And if we take our Fibonacci here from our previous swing high down to our correction low, you can see we've come all the way up to the 1.618 extension. And in many cases, your impulsive wave will reach the 1.618 before seeing a correction down to the EMAs. So if you do see us start to roll, just watch the 20 EMA here on the daily. See how Enjin beautifully bounced off the 20 EMA? So that may be what we see again. We see a small correction come back down to the 20, continuation up to the 1.272, and we have our bull run targets here for Phantom. We have the 2 extension. I'll drop in the 1.618 as well, which is coming in at 1166. We have the 2 extension at 21.69, and I'm going to drop in the 2.272 as well at 34.99. As we can see here with Sand is almost at the 2.272 extension. So the amount of interest in Metaverse right now is causing these coins to absolutely pump. So if Enjin were to make it all the way up to 34.99 from the current price, that's still about a 7x. Do keep an eye on this bearish divergence. If we can simply come up and break this level of resistance and start trending higher, then we can invalidate it. But as of right now, it is valid. So it's something to keep a close eye on. Let's look at Enjin on the weekly. We're not too overextended just yet, and we have a lot of room to come up on the RSI. We are trending into overbought just a little bit, but as you can see here, we got extremely overbought and we broke far away from the 20 EMA before seeing our correction. So that's basically it for Enjin. Do target the 2 and the 2.272 as your bull run targets. I think there was a little bit of a bearish divergence on the hourly as well. Let me just quickly open this up, see what we have here. Yeah, we do. So you can see here with Enjin, created a little bit of a higher high, a little bit of a lower high here on the RSI. So we may see a little bit of a back test. We break through the all-time high, we come back, we find support along the EMAs. We see continuation. However, if Bitcoin were to come down a little bit, maybe Bitcoin wants to come down to 54.9, that's when you can see Enjin come back down to the 20 EMA and this previous swing high, which is coming in here at about 349 for Enjin. All right, guys, that's it for this one. We can continue to pump, of course. If we simply hold the previous high as support, your next major level of resistance is at the 1.272 coming in at 641 for ENG. All right, guys, quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. That's it for this one. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.